Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Executing a PHP function on a button click typically involves the use of HTML forms and possibly some JavaScript, for enhanced interactivity. When you click a button in an HTML form, it can submit the form data to a PHP script, which can then execute a specific PHP function based on that input. Step-by-step tutorial on executing a PHP function on button click. Step 1. Set up your environment. Make sure you have a web server with PHP support. You can use local servers like xampp, wamp, or mamp for testing purposes. Step 2. Create your PHP function. Create a PHP file, example process.php, where you define the function you want to execute. Step 3. Create an HTML form. Create an HTML file, example index.html, that contains a form with a button. When the button is clicked, the form will submit to the PHP script. Step 4. Test the code. 1. Place both process.php and index.html in your web server's root directory, example height docs for xampp. 2. Open a web browser and navigate to http://localhost/index.html. 3. Click the Click Me button. This will submit the form to process.php, execute my function, and display the response. Optional, using Ajax for better user experience. To avoid page refresh, you can use Ajax to call the PHP function without reloading the page. Step 1. Update the HTML form. Modify your index.html to include jQuery for Ajax support. Step 2. Keep your PHP function. You can keep the process.php file as is. It will respond to the Ajax request when you click the button. Step 3. Test the Ajax version. 1. Save the changes to index.html. 2. Refresh your browser and navigate to your HTML page. 3. Click the Click Me button, and the result will be displayed without a page refresh. Conclusion. You have now successfully created a button that, when clicked, executes a PHP function. You can enhance this basic example further by adding more functions, handling form inputs, and improving user feedback. This approach can also be modified to work with other frameworks or libraries as per your project requirements.